We had a cabinet today at 12:30, and few issues were discussed. Number one is relating to the amendment of few labor acts. Few labor acts, though these acts relates to the central acts, but I wanted to tell you, since it is in the current list, even the state government has some say on the amendment of this act. And the cabinet has approved the proposal from the labor department about few changes in the act. So on the 20th, I will introduce in the assembly, because our assembly session will start on the 20th. There were 3 acts, and this again, once the assembly pass it, we will send to the government of India. Then the government of India will go in line with the amendment made or to be passed by the assembly, and accordingly they will also make a change in the existing act. And the second issue, we discuss again about the Agricultural Marketing Act 1980. Again, this one also government of India has requested all the respective state government to kindly revisit the present form of the act, if possible to improve it, so that we can make sure that the farmers get a maximum benefit. And I will just tell you briefly, the intention of the state government right now is to have more regulated market. I would like to update you again about the sample collected and sent for testing till today is 2,539, and the report received and negative is 2,526. The number of test report awaiting is nil, and number of patients tested positive, again 13, 1 death, 11 fully recovered, and we have right now 1 active case. I would like to update to all of you, for the information of our citizens in the state, that the total number of stranded students as well as friends in different parts of the northeastern states, including few states outside northeastern states who have just reached till today, is 3,970. Today evening, the first batch of the train will start at 9 o'clock in the evening today from Chennai, and they'll be reaching Guwahati railway station on the 15th May. The second batch will start from Bangalore on the 16th of May, and they'll be reaching Guwahati railway station on the 18th of May. And the total number of those students and stranded friends will be roughly about 1,500. 225 students will come back, and the train will start from Gujarat on the 15 May 2020, and they'll be reaching Guwahati railway station on the 17th May 2020.